Haven't tried BeReal yet and wondering what all the hype is about? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the BeReal app. Note that this video will demonstrate the installation process on an iPhone, but the process on other devices should be fairly similar. Now let's get started. To download BeReal, open the App Store on your device. Then tap Search at the bottom. Tap the search bar at the top and type in BeReal. Tap the BeReal app when it appears in the search results. Now tap Get to download the app for free. If prompted, enter your password or use Touch ID or Face ID to confirm that you want to download the app. BeReal will then be installed on your device. This process may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the BeReal app. That's all it takes to download and install BeReal. Stay tuned for more BeReal tutorials. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.